Hello viewers, I am Venkat Rao Gaddam, stock market technical analyst. So today we'll see what happened in all three major indices like Nifty, Bank Nifty and Fin Nifty. So date is 21st November 2022. So first let us start with Nifty 15 minutes chart. So Nifty first 15 minutes formed a big bearish candle, but after that there is no much momentum. So entire day was traded with a tight narrow range. So once it's broken 18,200 level, so why this level is most important? So last week this was taken a very good support 18,200 level, and today decisively it was broken in first 15 minutes itself, and after that market didn't try to touch 18,200 mark. So bottom side there was a strong support at 18,150 level for Nifty, and entire day it was traded within a 50 points range. This is very tight range even for traders, and especially option buyers it is very difficult to trade. So today's Nifty range was formed about 129 points, and on Friday analysis, end of Friday analysis, we anticipated today Nifty may form about 100 points range, but today it's more than that, formed about 129 points range formed. It's very good actually. And today's Nifty high was about 18,262 and low was 18,133. If we observe what are our touch points, so 18,262 was the high and 18,133 was the low. There are about 3 touch points, and out of 3 we may got about 2 levels, and each level may got about 50 points and another 50 points. So total about 100 points we can encash it today based on our levels, level based trading. So 18,262 to 18,133, there are about 129 points. Out of 129 points we can encash 100 points today. So we anticipated downside 18,207 level and upside 18,407, but Nifty decisively broken 8,207 level and closed below that for entire day. So 18,200, whatever it is maintaining a long-term support, today it's decisively broken and it's closed below 18,200 level. This is about Nifty. And coming to Bank Nifty, so Bank Nifty also formed in a tight range. So recently we didn't see a smaller range like this. So today it's formed about 184 points range. So we anticipated about 255 points range for Bank Nifty. So 255 points also, it's very less range for Bank Nifty. So generally it's formed more than 500 points range on every day, but recently there was less momentum in Bank Nifty. That's why as per our data we anticipated 255 points today for Bank Nifty, but the actual range was formed about 184 points only. So today's high was 42,386 and low was 42,202. So if you observe, it was traded in a tight range. It's very difficult for option buyers and traders, it's very difficult. So option sellers, at least they may get good profits, but option buyers, it's very difficult to take profits. So if we see 30 minutes chart also, it was traded in a tight range. So the entire day was traded within the first half an hour range only. Whatever half an hour candle range formed, first half an hour candle range, so entire day it was retraced within that zone only. And if we see 1 hour chart, even 1 hour also, whatever range was formed for first 1 hour candle, so the entire day was retraced within that zone only. Market didn't break out either upside or downside. So even for tomorrow also we need to watch carefully 42,200 level. So Nifty decisively broken downside of 18,200 level, but Bank Nifty, it didn't break to 42,200 level. So there was a good support at 42,200 level and resistance at 42,600 level. So as long as Nifty is trading in between 42,000, Bank Nifty is trading in between 42,600 to 42,200, definitely it will be in a consolidation zone. So we should avoid trading if it is in between 42,600 and 42,200 level. So once either side breakout happened, then only there will be a momentum we can expect. And if we observe one day chart also, it's very small candle. So we didn't see this much smaller candle in recent days. So on an average, Nifty forms more than 350 to 500 or 600 or 700 points range, but today first time it's formed about 184 points range only. So it's very difficult for the option buyers or traders, and still it is closed. Whatever consolidation from last 4 days we have observed, so within that zone only it's formed. So for Bank Nifty, strictly we need to watch these levels. So from last 6 days, whatever range was formed, on downside it was about 42,000 and upside it was about 42,600 level. So these 600 points clearly is indicating it's a tight consolidation zone. So traders, please avoid within that range. So if it breaks upside 42,600 or downside 42,000 level, then only we may get some profits. So this is about Bank Nifty, and if we see what happened based on our levels, so today's high was about 42,386. So that means it was entered in our green, yellow zone, and low was about 42,202. So only this was the touch point, and it didn't reach any of the targets. So we are just avoiding Bank Nifty. So whatever levels we have given on Friday, that's not at all worked out. So because Nifty was traded within a tight range of 184 points. So if we observe Fin Nifty also, based on first 15 minutes candle, it was a big candle formed, big bearish candle formed, but after that it was very tight range formed, about 18,925 to 18,050 or 75 level. So entire day it was traded within 50 points zone only. So 15 minutes, 30 minutes chart also, it is indicating whatever the first half an hour candle was formed, the entire day was formed within that range only. So traders definitely, we can't any kind of positions over here. So even if we enter also, definitely we may not get any good profits as well. So if we see 1 hour chart also, so whatever the first 1 hour candle formed, entire remaining all 1 hour candles traded within that range only. So simply retracement of first 1 hour candle only, and with smaller real bodies. So if we observe one day also, one day at least it was a breakout happened even in Fin Nifty. So whatever last 5 days zone, so it's simply broken out downside. So at least we may expect some downward rally from in Fin Nifty from tomorrow onwards. So this is about the major indices analysis, and if we observe the predictions for tomorrow's trade, so these are the green zone and red zone values. One important insight for Nifty, it is whatever trend for short term trend, this is short term trend. For long term and medium term trend also we discussed in weekend analysis yesterday's video. So in short term trend, Nifty is showcasing that 18,275 is now a resistance point. Today's Nifty close was 18,160. So Nifty was entered into short term bearish trend actually. So since last 3 months, Nifty was continuously going upside only. Today it is the first time it was broken this level, 18,275 level, and closed below that. So Nifty was technically entered into a short term bearish trend. What about Bank Nifty and Fin Nifty? So Bank Nifty still it is maintaining short term uptrend only. So for tomorrow, if it is broken 42,116 and closes below that level, definitely Bank Nifty also entered into a short term bearish trend. So still there are about 250 points distance. So the closing price and the clear support price. So we need to watch it carefully tomorrow. So if tomorrow closes below 42,116, so Bank Nifty also enters into a short term bearish trend. How about Fin Nifty? Fin Nifty, the trend, short-term trend, it is indicating at 18,925 level, but today it was closed about 18,950 level, just about 25 points difference only. So still Bank Nifty and Fin Nifty, it is maintaining that short term, medium term and long term, all three are bullish side only. Maybe these closing values are very nearer to the important support level. So tomorrow if it breaks downside and closes below these levels, so then all three major indices will be entered into short term bearish trend. So if it is for investment, still no issues. So short term, medium term and long term, it is showing upside only. So that's all about today's analysis. I am not a SEBI registered technical analyst. So this is for our viewers' educational purpose only. Our intention is how we can apply mathematics in stock market. That is what our intention only. So please contact our financial advisors, so before taking any trades according to these levels. Thank you so much. We will meet in tomorrow's analysis.